Whoa.
What's the
That
matter?
freaked me out. That freaked me out. Whoa. Where am I going?
You fly over that fire.
Whoa. Whoa. What am I doing? Boom. I didn't get the fire, did I?
Nope.
Huh? Went to 2 jets. I went to spray the fire out,
Now you can fly faster.
then I went to 2 jets.
Why don't you see how high you can fly?
Huh?
See how high you can fly.
Uh-huh.
And you go fly around. Go see if you can go find some mountains to fly to.
Do what?
Go fly over to some mountains. Fly way up. See how high you can go.
Don't really want to.
Oh, you can do it. Pull them both. Pull both triggers. You can't.
Whoa, you can't step past that.
No, you get around by flying. You can only fly from place to place.
Huh?
You can only fly
So
from
you
place.
got to point these things
Yep.
in a direction?
Yep.
Where are you supposed to go? Whoa.
Fly over to those mountains.
Fly over the mountains.
Yeah. Now you're getting it.